to face some problems here on the 12th of October.
At Sly Media Productions, we offer live streaming services to companies willing to reach a worldwide audience. We have the capacity to live stream debates from various locations for a wide range of clients.
And our online audience, we welcome you back.
We follow them and help build Zimbabwe brand on a positive note.
On the second report on citizens' perceptions.
And for us, our interest has always been around how do we leverage technology to communicate policy, to communicate public issues.
When you think of reaching the ever-growing internet audience with your video adverts, think Sly Media TV Online. If you want to pre-package TV programs, documentaries, weddings and church services, think Sly Media Productions, building bridges. Your TV on the go, anytime, anywhere, worldwide.
Chintatnot MDC Alliance, during the safe hands of President Nelson Chamisa and his leadership. We might have problems, but the character of these problems, I'm sure we're holding a jar full of diamonds but walking on a slippery floor. We'll get there and we'll deliver and we'll cross the Rubicon River. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Over to the provincial organ.
Mukadzokorora kuti kurovera chairman maoko zvakanaka. Regedzai ndi one instruction ndiri kupota kuseri ndoda kutanga ndaziva kuti ndinofanira kupota here. Thank you. Aungopotika. Tikambosumuka zvishoma tiri patiri papa just to show that we are lively. Zvinoita zvakanaka naye. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko chirega. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko chirega. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko DJ. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko chirega. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko chirega. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko chirega. Zimbabwe manyararireiko manyararireiko chirega mbenga. Zimbabwe manyararireiko tobetserwa naika. Vane maplakadzi muchisumudza mudenga. So, madzimai mururuko. Munhu wese ngatiratidze kuti tiri pazvinhu zvedu. Let's be lively. This is our anniversary. Ngatidaire zviite lively, ngatidaire zviite lively. Let's be lively, let's be lively. Maplakazi mdenga, maplakazi mdenga huko. Lively, lively, lively. Amusati manakirwa munhu wese, munhu wese, munhu wese, munhu wese. Maplakadzi mudenga, maplakadzi mudenga. Munhu wese, munhu wese. Thank you. Shall we all rise for the national anthem? Our party is as old as our national anthem. So we are going to have our national anthem. Todaira tese. Ngaisimudzirwe zita rayo, inzwai miteuro yedu, Ishe komborera Yesu muriayo, Ishe komborera Afrika. Ngaisimudzirwe zita rayo, inzwai miteuro yedu, Ishe komborera Yesu muriayo. Uya mweya, mweya kombore, uya mweya, mweya kombore, uya mweya, uya mweya muchene uti komborere Yesu muriayo. Shall I invite Reverend Gotola to come forward, please? Thank you very much. Shall we have a prayer?
Shall we pray? Baba vedu tunokutendai pangwema neru anu. Tunoyapa chigaro chenyasha kuna Mwari wamasimba ose. Nekuda kwechitiko chezuva ranhasi ratakaungana semusangano weMDC tichirangarira makore 21 chete kubva musangano uno watanga. Tunokutendai Mwari wamasimba ose kuti tiri kufara nekupembera nekuda kwetu 21 years. It was indeed a very long journey. It was indeed a very painful journey. 21 years of fighting for freedom of the people of Zimbabwe. 21 years of fighting for the well-being of the people of Zimbabwe. 21 years of fighting for democracy. We pray for the grace of God to be upon this movement. We pray that God, you continue to lead us. We don't believe in any other thing except you, God. We don't believe in any other force except you, God. In the mighty name of Jesus, we are convicted in our hearts that you love this nation of Zimbabwe. We don't doubt your love to this country, Almighty Jesus. And we still remain hopeful that there shall come a time that we shall be gathered to thank you and rejoice in your presence, as we will be a free nation. We take this time to pray for the leadership of this movement, our President, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and the entire leadership. We continue to pray for them and dedicate them into your hands. For you are the one who can keep them, you can protect them. Nokuti hakuna anochengeta munhu kunze kwenyu Mwari. Patinofamba hakuna zvimwe zvatinenge tisingaoni zvatinganzwisise. Asi imi Mwari munonzwisisa zvakavanzika zvose, uye hakuna anokukundai kunyange pasimba. Tinonamata kuti muchengete utungamiriri hwose Baba. Munguva dzakaoma, munguva dzemarwadzo, tinoramba tichipuwa simba nemi. Tariro yedu iri mamuri, imi Jehovha Mwari wamasimba ose. Tizviratidzai mumire nesu, mukuramba muchitipfuudza mberi. Baba, nezita ramambo Jesu, tinonamata kune vazhinji vari munguva dzekumanikidzwa, vamwe vari mumatorongo nekuda kwekurwira sununguro neshanduko yenyika yeZimbabwe. Hativakangano tinovasuma pamuri, Mwari wamasimba ose mutsvene. Kune vamwe vakafa munguva dzekurwira musununguro irworwu. Tinongonamata panguva ino, Mwari wamasimba ose, kuti Mwari hamutisiye nemukuzara kwenguva munozviratidza. Mazviita panguva dzemanheru ano. Tinokutendai ndichisuma zviitiko zvese zvichaitwa pakati pedu muzuva ranhasi muruoko rwenyu, kuda kwenyu kurambe kuchionekwa muzita raChiwedu Jesu Kristu. Amen.
Shall we all put our hands together for Reverend Gotora, our counselor in Mount Pleasant? Nguva inoenda kumbira our Deputy National Organizing Secretary, Honorable Mrise Zvizvai, to please come forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vamadzore. Mururu nemuridzo. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Maita henyu, provincial organizer wedu, Vamadzore, muimbi wedu mkuru. Regai nditi pamusoro hii, La Excellencia, the People's President, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, Vice President Tendai Biti, Secretary General Baba Wende, my members of Standing Committee, Tina Leader Mahere Varipano, Tina Leader Glady Tlachwa Varipano, Tina Leader Chino Putsa Varipano, Tina Leader Zvese Kilford Tlachwa Varipano, Tina Meya Vedu Harare, Vamafume Varipano, my members SA National Executive here President. Tino recognize nema MPS nema councillors, leadership SA Harare nemi mese Varipano. Allow me to welcome all our 10 provinces who are watching us live. Tiripano pa anniversary yedu pa Dande Mtande. Allow me, Your Excellency, also to welcome our external provinces. To welcome South Africa, Botswana, Zambia, Republic Popular di Mozambikiano, DRC, Lesotho, Nigeria, Americano, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Ireland, Germany, and China. You are watching us live. You are watching us live as we celebrate our 21st anniversary. I'm going to quickly call upon Mr. President for solidarity speeches. I'll call upon Zinasu just to give a 2 minutes solidarity speech. Please, 2 minutes. And as Zinasu comes here, ZLP, please, more prepare, more yakunoko.
Thank you, organizer. Pamusoro president, pamusoro vice president, pamusoro ma standing committee members is Panapa, pamusoro the MDC family. Isusu said the student movement. We are here to congratulate you on the 21st anniversary. It has been a long journey. but you have stood with people of Zimbabwe, you fought for their rights. Thank you so much. Isusu Sema students, we are not going to go back. Our struggle is even harder. We are struggling to have a better education. After Tawana education, we need jobs as well. We are not going to have jobs in any country like this. So we continue to fight with you. Please liberate the people of Zimbabwe. We deserve a better future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Zinasu. Handzine Zinasu, better education, Nelson Chamisa. Ndizoka. Better education. More jobs, better health delivery, a corruption-free Zimbabwe, better livelihoods. Chamisa hoye! Chamisa hoye! Let's all raise our placards and show the world who is the people's president. Chamisa hoye! Chamisa hoye! 2.6 million votes hoye! Yes, Oko. ZLP.
Maita comrade. Ndokutenda ini zvamaita. Chokutanga chokutanga ndaona pakanzi 21st nanditi anniversary of the movement for democratic change. Ina ndaudaidzwa pano as a mistake. ZLP yakafomewa, munhu akanyora constitution yeZLP, Comrade BT. Vanhu vose vakafoma ZLP vari members of the High Command yeZanla. Vakarwa hondo chaiyo chaiyo. Ndo vakafoma futi MDC. Muri kuzvinzwa? Tanga tiri tese tikazoti let's separate the fighting. Anditi kuti tiru avamwe nokuku vamwe nokuku. Ndonzwa? Ndinotenda chaizvo ndanzwa muchimba Ishe Komborero Africa. Kuvana vadiki vese rwakakombozwa na Todd Machikiza from South Africa akazofa muZambia. Please continue the struggle. Aisiri nyore. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, comrade. Aya ndo anonzi macomrades aya. Macomrades akaenda kuhondo kwete marefugee vana Munangagwa vaya. Vana Mujiba. Aya ndio macomrades chaiwo chaiwo. Chamisa hoye! Chamisa hoye! 2.6 million votes hoye! Yes, Oko. Tajamuka. Ita 2 minutes mfanami.
Chamisa hoye! Chamisa hoye! Comrade Juma Olete here from Tajamuka. President Vedu Vachamisa. The pastor. So in Greek they say kata lambano, it means take it by force. We are going to take this nation by force from people who are illegal. We voted for this man, he should be the president. Whether they arrest us, whether we'll be jumping jura holes and rotting in that prison, but we'll win it. What we are saying, Mr. President, is our generation is prepared to walk over dead bodies to take you to the State House, and we will do that. Thank you.
We will take it by force, Mainzwaere. Chamisa oye. Yes, Oko. Allow me to invite the Youth Assembly, Comrade Ostalos, 2 minutes.
Thank you very much, Comrade President. Members of the democratic movement, I'm here on behalf of millions of young people in this country to celebrate 20 years of struggle for freedom against military dictatorship in this country. Today we pronounce the end to oppression. Today we pronounce the end to suppression by a military junta presiding over this country. Comrade President, as we celebrate 20 years, we as young people, we want to reaffirm our position. As we celebrate 21 years of democratic struggles, Comrade President, I speak on behalf of the dead. I speak on behalf of Tondra Indira. I speak on behalf of Lenmo Judah Jongo and others. May their soul rest in power. Those who passed under Robert Mugabe's House of Terror, today presided over by Emerson Mnangagwa. Our message is very simple. We are prepared to surrender ourselves before we surrender this democratic project as we head towards the most significant struggle of our generation, Comrade President. Be rest assured that young people are prepared to suffer and defeat ZANU-PF with or without the electrocentric approach. Comrade President, as we celebrate 20 years, we must reflect on the struggle for democracy. Mr. President, young people are dying, young people are suffering, young people have no jobs, young people wake up at the blessing of an empty stomach and a jobless existence. And as the Youth Assembly, we want to reassure the nation that it's very difficult. Fighting a military dictatorship is not an easy journey. We know there are a majority of people that expect a lot from us. We assure you, fellow countrymen, we are prepared. Incrementally, we are going to organize our people. We are going to go to communities. We are going to resist dictatorship. Before you know it, we will be in the streets of Harare and bring an end to tyranny. I thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murune Muridzo. "21 years hadzizi kutamba nazo handii ndizvo. Vachamisa vakura kuraone 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 chinja maitiro ako ezvoko. Vana Mnangagwa pavaiona vachamisa musangano uchifomuwa vaingoti kamufana akanoda kuitei, asi pamaelection apera chidlamatova akadzipwa neganda remhuru. Maitome uyai makamirira madzimai 2 minutes. Murune Muridzo.
Tiri pachirangano baba nai baba, tiri pachirangano baba nai baba, tiri ona chirangano chekutonga baba nai baba ere, tiri pachirangano baba nai baba, tiri pachirangano tiri pachi. Oh, nyangwe mukasunga sei baba nai baba, tiri pachirangano oh baba nai baba, tiri pachirangano baba nai baba, tiri pachir. Madzimai oye, Chamisa oye, ahoy mayuda ahoy, ahoy vana baba ahoy, chinja maitira akwayo makorokoto machinja. Congratulations, this is the 21st anniversary. Dayari mwana angadane 21 years, and for 21 years tinompa key. Saka president nhasi tiri kukupai key yekukiinura Zimbabwe kuti vana vese vatambura vapinde muKenani. Tanetseka president, vana vedu havana mabasa, vana vedu vari kushupika, tiri kunetseka semhuri yeZimbabwe. Sana mai tisinonzwa kurwadziwa zvakanyanya, tichakuberekai, tichafamba nemi kusvika tapinda muKenani. Mukaona zvinhu zvakunyanya kunetsa zvirikuda kuti Kenani is around the corner. Taakusvika, vari kutirwadzisa, vari kutibhomba, vari kuita zvese zvese, asi God is watching. Vari kuzviona. Tichafunga nzira dzese madzimai dzichaita kuti muende kuState House. We are promising you. Murume anonzi Albert Einstein anotaura achiti insanity is doing the same thing over and over again expecting a different result. We are going to change our strategies. Mr. President, we are promising you. We will change our strategies and remove this illegitimate government, because we are saying we are going to mobilize and fight for a people's government. People's government, vanhu vakavhotera imi. You are the people's president. Ndimunodiwa, asi tiri kurasiswa nemhandu idzi. Vari kutambisa nyika yedu. Zimbabwe is a very rich country with over 69 precious minerals. Ziri kutambiswa, dzinosanganisira vana gold, vana lithium, vana diamond, zvese izvozvo. With only 3 minerals. Zimbabwe inosvika kure. Ngavatipe chance mukomana wechidiki apinde umu. Tivagadzirire masipageti rota vanogara taura mani. Tivagadzirire migwagwa. Tivagadzirire zvose zvakanaka zvinogara taurwa. Tine mukana wokuti tinogona kuzviita ndokunge tapuwa chance yacho. Asi vakaramba kutipa chance. Ndanzwa mukomana wetajamuka pasolidarity yake. Wagona youth wagona. Ahoy my youth ahoy. Ahoy my youth ahoy. My youth anhasi handisi kuti makaita sei. Ndoda kumbokusiyirai tujinja tushoma shoma. Inini wacho ndichafamba nemi. Ndinoda kutoita youth mukati tite toy ndinosvetuka kusvika apa. Zvese tichaita, the energy is there. Kusvika tasvika mukomana uyu apinda ku State House. Saka tiri kuti pa 21 years idzi tava nenguva yekuti takuda kutonopinda muKenani. Zvaakurwadza vanorepa ndasei. Ndine nyaya imwe iri kundirwadza ya Honorable Johanna Mamombe. Vari kushungurudzwa, vari kutambudzwa. Semadzimai we are pained. Tiri kurwadziwa, tatambudzwa. Zviri kutinetsa kuti toita sei. Asi ticharonga kuti toita sei. Mnangagwa tiri kuuyako hatisi kukuvhundutsira. Hatisi kuzokurovai kana kuita sei. Asi madzimai tiri kuchema. We are crying. Moyo unorwadza kubereka. Nokuti vana vedu ndivo vanoswera vari mustreet. Vana vedu ndivo vamuri kutambudza. Vasiyei tigadzirise nyika. Chinja maitiro ako ayo. Ahoy mayuth ahoy. Madzimai oye. Machinja manyararireiko. 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 Wongore patonyarara nai. Manyararireiko. Manyararireiko mjirega. Vachisunga tonyarara nai. Manyararireiko. Manyararireiko mchirega mvenga. Chisa chamisa chisa. Chinja mazvita.
Maitome mirai madye nhasi.
Hapana ndikurwadziwa neZimbabwe rukanga.
Ndaona makuda kunoruma president chaivo. Thank you very much Mururu Nemuridzo. Tinotenda for the speech, wonderful speech and energy. Yabva kumadzimai. We want to welcome all of you who are viewing us on our live celebration rally running under the theme mobilizing and fighting for a people's government. We want to welcome all of you all over the world, throughout Zimbabwe. Our national chairperson, Honorable Tabita Kumalo, is not here with us. Ndo vangaifanga kuva our next speaker. Kuti vatipe the state of the party. And unfortunately, Vice National Chairman Job Scala vakapuwa bail musuno uyu. And Mr. President, you are aware kuti one of the conditions dzakapuwa nedare nderekuti vaScala havatende kutaura nevanhu. Havatende kutaura nevanhu kana vemuconstituency mavo kana vanhu vakavasarudza kugweru kuya. So naizvozvo, allow me to invite the Secretary General, Honorable Wende, kuti vazotipa the next address. Thank you very much.
President Nelson Chamisa, Bamzoro Vice President vedu atendai bitwa ripano, the Mayor we Harare, Eva Jacob Mafume. I know kuti makamdirwiswa zvisingaite makoti mese kumchida kuzimbudiswa ukanzu, but we are happy to say that the Mayor of Harare is Jacob Mafume. And he's here with us. Pamsoro inengo dzese the standing committee, the provincial leadership iripano, chairman wedu province Baba Chikombo, pamusoro national executive members ese nemimese mauya pano. Mr. President, sekunzwa kwamaita mashoko angu mashomanini pano. Chairman vedu havana kukwanisa kunge vari pano nekuti havasi kunzwa zvakanaka. Dambudziko rataita Mr. President nderekuti vanhu vedu vese vari kusungwa vachibuda mumatirongo. Tiri kuita dambudziko rekuti vanhu vari kubuda vachirwara Mr. President. Chirwere checolon cancer, chirwere chekenza dzakasiyana siyana, zvirwere zviri kungouya muri kunzwa takarasikirwa navadzamari. Izvezvi svondo rapera makanzwa vamashaya mombe member yedu yenational executive vakunge vari muusungwa zvakare vaane chirwere ichochi. Ndo chirwere chakaparadza zvakare president vedu vaMorgan Tsvangirai. So ndo challenges mamwe atinawo Mr. President. So havana kukwanisa kunge vari pano nhasi. Vice wavo manzwa zvakare vaScala havakwanisi kunge vari pano because vanga vari muusungwa. Asi vakaburiswa one of their condition Mr. President ndeyekuti havakwanisi kunge vachiadresa pano. Ndosaka ndiri pano. Iniwo zvakare Mr. President svondo rapera takaita both good news and bad news. VaScala vakaburiswa after a month vari mudetention. But takasungirwa zvakare president wedu weZinasu, ndaona Zinasu yanga iri pano vangadziore vari mutirongo izvezvi. Takasungirwa zvakare Joanna Mamombe MP wedu ari kushungurudzwa. Izvezvi condition yatanzwa iri kugara Joanna Mamombe haina kumira zvakanaka. Vakamutora vakamuendesa kuchikurubi vakamuisa mune vanhu vasina pfungwa dzakakwana as a way of punishing him. And conditions ariko maloya edu we are happy kuti vairisa nyaya court kuti igadziriswe, but zvinhu zvese izvi zvinoitwa panosungwa vanhu naMnangagwa. Ari kusunga vanhu one kuti akwanise kuti anokuwadza sekukuwadza kwaari kuita vanhu. The second thing ndeyekuti vanoda kukubreaka your spirit. If they fail to break your spirit vanoda kukucompromise. Vanotevera vanhu vachitoona ka wachadwa netreason 20 years dzaunoenda uya kuno vamwe wako tinavo kudhara. So ukaona munhu anenge aramba ari panzvimbo sezvaita Joanna Mamombe vanokushungurudza vokupanisha handika vachida kuti uite breakdown. But we are happy kuti Joanna Mamombe is very strong, very courageous woman, and tiri kuramba tichimunamatira. But kwataakuenda ku Mr. President I think tatamba zvakwana. Takuda kuisa Mnangagwa panotice kuti nyika ino iyi hatigone kuramba vanhu vachishungurudzwa sezvavari kuita. Hatigone kuramba vanhu vachifa nenzara mudzimba sezvavari kuita. Tine constitution irimo muno. Kana zvichireva kuti vanhu vari kusungwa nekuti vari kuexercise their section 59 right yekudemonstrate muroad, ngatisunge. Handika kii yatiri kukupai pano nhasi Mr. President ikii yekuenda kuState House. Ndanzwa chairman Chikombo vachitaura kuti ANC yakafomwa 1912 and it took them over 8 years kuti vazopinda mupawa. Isu hatina time iyoyo Mr. President. This 21 years is the decisive year yestruggle here. Kii yatiri kukupai Mr. President ndeyekuenda kunopindura kuState House. Tinozviziva kuti kuaccepta kuita leader weMDC there are 3 things. The first one is we all believe kuti tiri muno struggle because we want to bring a people's government. Those the number one goal yatina. Failure to bring the people's government, tinotoziva kuti the next thing is death. They will kill you. Yes. And we also know that kuti vakasakuraya you will be in jail. Yes. Handika isu hatisuda kufa, hatisuda kuenda kujeli. Tiri kuda kuunza the people's government, and the people government must come this year. Yes. Mr. President, ndoda kutenda staff yedu yaita kuti tiite event ine. Kana uri MDC hazvisi nyore kunge tiri panapa. This is our third venue yatanga tiinayo. The first venue yatanga chida kuita tapedza taita dheko zvese pakauya maCIO nepfuti vakachikidzira vanhu vanga vati haisa. Then nezuro tafunga kuti hapana batapedza taenda pamwe vauya zvakare. muchinda wacho akati varume torai mari yenyu handidi kana kuti musandifonere futi zvakare. So manheru ndakuba tozomuti zvakaramba zvichindinetsa kuti ko munhu watanga tishanda tese ndomufonera kuti ko iyo zvafamba sei zvikachinzi pana itotaura nembabe masiya iwo anga ari muofisi mangu nefuti so ndokuomeserwa kunetsa. Toda kutenda nzvimbo yedu yatinayo panapa but zvakaoma kutiona tike tiri panapa. It's not a normal country yatiri kurarama. I know tine challenges. Mr. President, nhasi tabva panapa, I'm happy to report kuti party yenyu Mr. President, we had successful 203 district meetings today. 7 zisina kuitwa nhasi dziri kuitwa mangwana. The reason why taenda kuvanhu Mr. President ndeyekuti makatituma kuti tiende tinonzwa kuti vanhu vari kuti chii. Ndinoziva kuti vamwe vanenge vachiti tanga imwe party itai zvakadai handidika. But from kwandanga ndiri nhasi Mr. President, you will be surprised kuti vanhu vari paground apa vari kuti MDC Alliance ndiyo party yedu kana tichifa ngatife tiripo ipa. So the people are clear, but I don't want to preempt these 210 districts. But struggle in is not about the name. This struggle, President Chamisa. Why? Because Chamisa defeated Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa is sitting in State House today, knowing fully well kuti the chair agagara ku State House, Dear Nelson Chamisa. So they will try to kill him. They will try to victimize him. Monzo ana monzo rachiti hanzi ngasungu. Kuti asunga aende kunoiswa poison kujeri. Ende vasingaziva kuti vachambisa vakasungwa kakani vangani. There is no leader that has been arrested more than President Nelson Chamisa in this movement. I was surprised kuti monzo ranoti akasungwa. Wakasungwa uchibai dzimba dzevanhu. Kana kuti wakasungwa uchifeba chidzindo cheHigh Court. Struggle ine haisi vanhu vari kusungirwa kuba majarini mumasupermarket. This is a people's struggle. Your struggle is in self-defense. Atibone kuti tipedze Memorial Service National kutaura nenyaya yaVatsvangirai. Vatsvangirai ndo vakaita kuti tinge tiri pano tichicelebrate 21 years. I know kuti kune dzimwe 21 years dzakacelebratewa neZANU-PF. That's how daring Mnangagwa is. He will organize vanhu mukati menyu kuti vaende kunoorganize 21 years. Vachiti Vatsvangirai vari pano. The idea yaimirira Vatsvangirai handika ndeyekuti haufanirwi kubuda mugwara restruggle. Kwese kwauri nyange wakava nemaportraits akadai aVatsvangirai, kana wakabuda mugwara raVatsvangirai hausi kuteera gwara raVatsvangirai. Vachamisa ndonzwa vachiti hanzi vakazviisa pachigaro, Vatsvangirai vafa, Vachamisa vakapfuta pa. That's a lie. Vatsvangirai vachienda kuSouth Africa vakashedza Vachamisa kumba kwavo. Ende vamwe vanhu vanga varipo ipo pavanga varipo, including munin'ina waVatsvangirai vaManasi, vakufamba nevanhu avachinyepera vanhu. Vakaudzwa naVatsvangirai kuti inda kuenda kuSouth Africa, but urwere hwangu huri kudzimba, saka ndakusiyira Chamisa handika kuti aite president weMDC Alliance, anotungamira alliance, but aite president weparty zvakare. Manase was there, Vatsvangirai was there, and other relatives. Nhasi vakutanga vasingazvizive izvo. Hatidi kunyadzisana handika tiri kurespecta legacy yaVatsvangirai, but Vatsvangirai knew kuti vari kushanda nevanhu vanotengesa. He even left us in my audios ekutsanangurira maZimbabweans why he was asking you to accept Chamisa as a leader. The audios are there handika vachitaura kuti sei monzo asingakwanise kuita president. One anoba mari dzevanhu zvamunoziva. He's a liar handika ende haagoni kumira pachokwadi. Vese vanamudzura hapana chisina kutaura, tozviziva izvi, but hatidi kuti tizvitaure handika. Isu taiteera gwara raVatsvangirai. That's why Vachamisa varipo panapa. Ende zvamunoona pana Vachamisa ndo pana Vatsvangirai. Saka Mr. President, handinoda kutora nguva yenyu yakareba. Ndoda kukutendai Mr. President zvakare leadership yamunoramba muchiprovide charamba tiinemi zvichaoma asati zvaoma mutoro watiinawo neuna president a every day vanhu vanovafonera throughout the country vachiti zvichafamba sei Mr. President todini vanhu vakatarisira kuti MDC vanunuri vanhu vari kurara nenzara vanhu vane hama dziri kufa muzvipatara vakatarisira kuna vachamisa neMDC Alliance saka ngatirambe takashinga zvichaoma ini vana vangu vanozviziva kuti pamwe ndichadzoka kumba manheru anaya uri pamwe handidzoke. They've accepted it because I accepted the call to liberate this country. Ndikafa handika vana vangu vachizoliberate kwa mu Zimbabwe ndo zvandakazvarirwa kuti ndinge ndiri pano. Ndokutenda Mr. President. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murune muridzo. SG vaseva nditi. Nasi marova muri patop chaipo chaipo wende mambo. Asi munotya kufa. Ndaona ndasiya microphone pano mukati ndotaura iri pasi. Ndoda kuti ndipupure zuva ranhasi kuti murume wamunoona anonzi Nelson Chamisa is not power hungry. Vatsvangirai vakuenda last trip yavo yeku-South Africa. He called him. Zvikanzi ndaukusira zvese alliance neparty. Ndokubva vanopedza urukuro yavo ikoko. Ndobva vandifonera president zvikanzi Mudhara ndamurambira ini. Ndikati sira Mudzuri. Zvikanzi naMudhara thank you for your understanding. But nhasi vari pano. Dai ndakandiri ndakanzi chinhu ichecho vakomana kuti mwabete kumukaka chaiko. Mudhara ndichitaura naye tichidya nzungu ndikati ko Mudhara mazoisa mavice president maviri chirudzii. Zvikanzi izvi zvai ndaona kuti ndikaisa mukomana uyu vanomunetsa nokuti ndinenge ndataridza favor too quickly. Saka ndokusaka ndaisaona Mudzuri kungoti zvingoconfusa. So kana ushe hwakakunanga unonotogwa kumakwai ikoko. Ndokusaka tinavo vachamisa pano ndiye munhu watakasigwa navatsvangirai. Harvest House yedu ndi Nelson Chamisa. MDC Alliance yedu ndi Nelson Chamisa. Musangano wedu ndi Nelson Chamisa. This whole struggle is Nelson Chamisa. You can take Harvest House. You can take the 2.6 million votes and apportion them to Kupe. But you will not take the struggle. Because struggle yedu chunu chinonzi Nelson Chamisa. Murune muridzo! Thank you very much as you join us throughout the whole world. Parali yedu edande mtande. Allow me, Mr. President, to call upon the Vice President, Honorable Tendai BT, to give us his words. Honorable BT, please.
Chisamba machisa. Chisamba machisa. Chisamba machisa. Chinja. Maitiro. Chisa Chamisa chisa. Chisa Chamisa chisa. Ezoko. Ezoko. Pamsoroi. President Vedu. Baba Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Pamsoroi. Ma standing committee members ari pano ndichitanga na Secretary General wedu Baba Charlton Wende, our organizer Baba Uchi, Comrade Morisi Shumba Murambwi, Pamsoroi, my Gladys Slachwayo, Clifford Slachwayo, our spokesperson Fadzai Mayere, Comrade Clifford Chinoputsa, the distinguished mayor of Harare, that Clifford Chinoputsa. Clifford love more Chinoputsa. Matwins ezvezvivi. Mabasa erima. Pamusoro ema national executive members edu. Vakamirira madzimai maitome. Pamusoro the provincial chair Baba Wellington Chikombo, pamusoro ma districts mamwe abva muHarare, vamwe ndaona vamwe ve outside Harare vekuna Namutare, pamusoro ma structures edu ese ari kutiwacha pa platform ye internet. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, today our movement, our proud movement, turns 21. Many years ago, on the 11th of September 1999, we gathered at Rufaro Stadium. It was a rainy, warm afternoon, and we formed this movement, the movement for democratic change. Comrades and friends, Comrade President, it has been 21 years of vicious pain. It has been 21 years of struggle. It has been 21 years of suffering. It has been 21 years of consistency. If you ask one defining characteristic of our movement, it's consistent. We are consistent in opposing autocracy. We are consistent in opposing dictatorship. We are consistent in opposing the suffering of our people. We are consistent in opposing repression, oppression, suppression. We have been consistent. We have been consistent. Comrades and friends, it has been 21 years of conviction. It has been 21 years of commitment. It is hard to support our movement. You have to be brave. You pay the price. You carry the burden of bravery. Vana mai, vana baba, vari kudotito kuchenda mbuya, kungai, kucholocho. We have looked the beast in the eye. We have looked dictatorship in the eye, and we have not blinked. We have not blinked. So ndokumbira kuti zviomberere maoko. Our biggest victory, and we've scored many victories, our biggest victory is that we have remained alive. Our biggest victory is that we are standing and talking to each other and talking to the whole world. Because in ZANU-PF, we face the most vicious of all autocratic parties in the world. In Emmerson Mnangagwa, we face the mother of all fascists on earth. Hakuna chigananda chinofura Emmerson Mnangagwa. So our biggest achievement as a movement, is just to be alive. We are out of our head office. We are in exile. But it doesn't matter whether tikasangana pasi pemuti, whether tikasangana mumachonyonyo, whether tikasangana pasi pemvura, the party is in our hearts. In 1500, varozvi vaiti moyo ndizvo, zviri moyo. This struggle is in our heart. This movement is in our heart. Our leader, Advocate Nelson Chamisa, is in our heart. With those three things, what do we want? Chichimwe chatichada. Ndangandiri kwa mrewa kuruzeva. The other day ndangandiri kubinga. The other day ndakapfura nekubhubi. The people are this movement. So they can try to take our name. They can try to take our MPs. They can try to take our buildings. They can try to take our assets. They can try to take our MPs, our councillors. It doesn't matter. Torah is jese, but you will never be able to take that which is in us. Moyondizo, the Movement for Democratic Change Alliance. Comrade President, we stand on the shoulders of heroes of our democratic struggle. We stand on the shoulders of Morgan Richard Changirai. We stand on the shoulders of Gibson Sibanda. We stand on the shoulders of Chairman Isaac Matongo. We stand on the shoulders of Fletcher Dulin, we stand on the shoulders of Wilfred Manda, comrade Zinashe Machingura. Don't underestimate the fact that this meeting was opened by Comrade Webster Gwauya, who spoke on behalf of the Zimbabwe Liberation Platform. Comrade Gwauya and his colleagues who are not here are the ones who in 1975 wrote Inonzi Mugagao Declaration. The declaration that said, we are tired of all political leadership that is in Lusaka. We are now going to go to Mozambique under Zimbabwe People's Army, ZIPA, to launch an armed liberation struggle. And the only politician we are prepared to recognize is Robert Mugabe, not anyone else. So to have Comrade Gwauya in this room this afternoon, it's significant for our movement. It is significant, and it shows that our movement is the ultimate heir to the liberation struggle. A liberation movement that is now tattered and torn. Herbert Chitepo is standing in his grave because that is not the party that he left. Edgar Tekere is standing in his grave because that is not the party that he left. Joshua Ngomo is standing in his grave because that is not the party that he left. Ya party ma Tsotsi, ya party ma Korora, ya party ma Ferrari, ma Lomba Gun, ma Small House, ma Slay Queens, the party of Emerson Mnangagwa. A tired, exhausted liberation struggle. So I want to assure you, Comrade Gwauya, I want to assure you, Comrade Pakachipoera, wherever you are, that we as the Movement for Democratic Change Alliance will finish the job that you started in Mugagao, in Dodoma, in Chifombo, in Lusaka, in Nyadzonya, in Sofala, in Baira, in Chimoyo, in Tembwe. The Movement for Democratic Change, led by Advocate Chamisa, will complete the unfinished business of the liberation struggle. So tinokutendai nepresence yenyu. Comrade President, our country is in a deep crisis. There is a deep national crisis in our country. As I'm talking to you right now, Comrade President, 95% of our people are mabasa. There are 4 generations, there are 4 decades of Zimbabweans dzisingazive kubayirwa chitupa nemurungu, dzisingazive kuti basa rinotanga na 8 richipera na 5. As I'm talking to you right now, Comrade President, 79% of your people are living below the poverty line. Vachidya mbora, vachidya tsambatsi. 10 million Zimbabweans have to be fed. As I'm talking to you, Comrade President, we are led by a regime that has no care and no love for its people. A regime that is not capable of delivery. Regime is not performance legitimacy, output legitimacy. A ruling elite without ruling ideas. Hakuna chidofo chinopfura cha Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. Ukaona wakudaidza mwana wako kuti dambudzo, wadambudzo zveshuwa, hakuna zvekutamba. But the suffering, Comrade President, is not the suffering of the belly alone. Namo yedu haisi namo yedumpu, Comrade President. Pano patiri takashota, hatina kukwana zvakaimbwa na Chimbetu. Joanna Mambombe is not here. Yes. Atadze, Cecilia Chimbiri is not here. Netsai Marowa is not here. 3 young Zimbabweans who have committed no crime other than to say we want change, other than to say we stand with Nelson Chamisa, other than to say no to autocracy, no to unemployment, no to corruption, no to dictatorship. That's the only crime that Joanna Mamombe has committed. That's the only crime that Netsai Chimbiri has committed. That's the only crime that Cecilia has committed. Taramba, my comrades. As I'm talking to you right now, Tafadzwa Ngadzore is not with us. Tafadzwa is a young man. Tafadzwa is hardly 21. Chatadzachi, the only thing that he said was that no to impunity. We know the role that regime enablers Impala played in the abduction of Mfana Mchei Wakubulawayo. And my enablers are Agawanda. Vana Chicken in the INSCO group, And it's time, Comrade President and fellow Zimbabweans, to say no to enablers. We sustain enablers because they're purchasing power. It's time that we embark in civil disobedience and withdraw our purchasing power. As I'm talking to you right now, Comrade Chairperson, Comrade President, our chairperson, vice chairperson, Job Scala is not here. For a month he was in prison, facing baseless charges. Machaje Udofo. Comrade Wopo Chingono spent 2 months in prison. Comrade Jacob Ngaruvume spent 2 months in prison. There's no one who is safe in Zimbabwe. The church, the students, the political party, Kanairi political party, Comrade President, Hakuna, there is no leader of the MDC who is either in custody or in remand or awaiting judgment. Atina Tese, we can write books of kuti Braeside yakamira sei, Highlands police yakamira sei, Kuadzana police yakamira sei, Borodo yakamira sei, Matapi yakamira sei. It can be a country. And how can you be a leader, Emmerson Mnangagwa? Ekuti every day you are thinking of ways and means of making the black people suffer. Kana munhu mutema asina kusuffer, you are not happy. Urichikwambo chinoti fututu kurwadzisa vana veZimbabwe. Hakuna, there is no day without a headline of pain. Hakuna day. And this is not a metaphor, comrades and friends. This is not a metaphor. The country is in a national crisis. But what did we do when faced with the same crisis 21 years ago? When faced with the same crisis 21 years ago, we went to Hillside at the National Working People's Convention on the 24th and 26th of February 1999. And at the National Working People's Convention, we came with 11 resolutions or declarations. We came with a declaration on land to the people. We came with a declaration on the economy to the people. We came with the declaration that we could no longer trust the politicians led by Robert Mugabe. So our resolution number 11 was the resolution that we authorized the Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Unions to go to the people and find out if they were ready to form a new organization. This organization was the MDC Alliance. This organization was the MDC. 21 years later, it is still alive and kicking. It is time, Ahmad Dodikanwa, to have another national convergence, to have another broad front, churches, students, let's all come together and put a full stop to the obscene sobriquet called ZANU-PF. Kunyadzisa chinyadziso shura read by Emmerson Mnangagwa. It's a time to say no, 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 nada my comrade. Takazonofoma tikaenda ku Congress kwedu yekutanga kuchitungwiza province musi wa 26 January 2000 pano pachitungwiza. I remember Comrade President ava vari kamkomana kune vamwe vakutinetsa vanga vasipo in 2006 wongoridza kutsako iwewe wakuti swede but as late as 2006 wongoridza kutsako vamwe maininava pa-National Working People's Convention, she wasn't even there. In the first national executive of the MDC, the interim executive, yatakaita ku Waterfalls, there were 4 women who were there. Paulina Mpariwa, Sekai Holland, na Trudy Stevenson. Iwongo uri kupi. Wakusodoboka to gogo, uchisodoboka to gogo. You see, we cannot allow Emmerson Mnangagwa to do the impossible thing of becoming the leader and president of the alternative and the leader and president of the ruling party. We cannot allow that. It's nonsense. But it's rubbish. And we, the people, we say no to rubbish. When the Secretary General went to code 0, in section 59 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, we've got a right to demonstrate. Comrade President Takazipikira, I want to look the people of Zimbabwe in the eye and say, Takazipikira to die for this cause. We are prepared to die for this cause and we are going to die for this cause. There is no struggle without its own Chris Hannis. There is no struggle without its own Steve Bikos. There is no struggle without its Josiah Tongogara Maga. There is no struggle without sacrifice. And as we enter the last stretch of our struggle, we will die. And this is the message we are going to send to Emmerson Mnangagwa. Your days are numbered. We are coming for you because the Constitution allows us to do so. I thank you very much. Ziko Mokwambiri, Kalumba Loko.
Thank you very much, Vice President BT. Nasma makadya chiviro chaicho. Zvokuti kana Mnangagwa masangana naye padhoo apa maitawo kutsabvura chai. I would like to welcome all our viewers. The time that you were waiting for is here. The moment that you were all waiting for is here. Takuchidaidza chikara cheZANU PF 2.6 million votes. Mukomana wechidiki ane uturu ane uturu shasha ya Mnangagwa, shasha yeZANU PF ndio yatakudaidza pano kuti mupe vanhu direction yekuti nyika iri kuinda kupi, nekuti Mnangagwa is just clueless, arungotenderera nescover. So allow me now to call upon His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, President Nelson Chamisa. Mururu nemuridzo. Mururu iwe. Mururu nemuridzo. Roba. Mururu iwe. Mururu iwe. Sumudza plakati rako uko. Sumudza. Thank you very much. Tinotenda ngatigare hedu pasi. Thank you very much.
Hello? Can you hear me? Yes. Chisamba machisa. Chisa. Kukula. Izenzo. Kukula. Izenzo. Kukula. Machinja. Tinotenda. Machinja. Tinofara. Chirikutifadza chakanyanya. Rudo rwamunarwo ndanzwa rumbo rwakaimbwa nababa mukuru wedu, baba Madzore, vachibvunza kuti machinja manyararireiko. Machinja hanyarari, machinja anoronga. So patete tinzi tanyarara, vazhinji vazive kuti ndeti chironga. Mukaona kuzhamba kuri kuita mukoma wangu umwe uya, inyaya yokuziva kuti hapana chakanaka. Pane zvatiri kuronga, asi vanenge vachida kuti heri sadza mutekwe. Zonzi tevera, isi hatiteveri. Tinoronga tega. Tinotenda maspeeches ataurwa pano. First of all, let me acknowledge the Almighty God. Mwari vari kumusoro kudenga. Tinoita masalutations edu tokanganwa kuti tiri vanhu nokuda kwaMwari. So I acknowledge the Almighty for the power, for the providence, for the protection. Tasvika pano nokuda kuti Mwari unotida. hapana anodi kwanza anga ari mupenyu pakati pedu nevamwe vaya, but nokuda kwenyasha dzaMwari we are alive and we thank God for it. Vice Presidents, Vabiti, Mule and Kore in absentia, our Secretary General, our Chairman wedu, vari muutapwa, Mai, Tabita Kumalo, Namaskala, our National Standing Committee members here present, National Executive yedu ndakuona imuri pano, members of the National Council here and at home, our Guardian Councillors, Elders Council, our Freedom Fighters Council within the party, the Disability Council, our Veterans Association, the Students Council, and more importantly, the Zimbabwe Liberators Platform, our war veterans of the liberation struggle. Isaati tarisi kuti uriani, my veterans of the struggle are veterans of the struggle without any party. And we bemoan the strategy and approach Yezanu of attempting to minimize and dwarf the contribution made by our war veterans by making them an extension of a political party. War veterans cannot be that minimal. They cannot be that small. War veterans are there above all political parties. In fact, the political party that has become the vehicle and custodian of the liberation agenda in this country is the Movement for Democratic Change Alliance. So yes, to acknowledge our war veterans, we acknowledge members of the party at various levels, in particular, Kuma district's constituents, Kwedu, our branches, our members of parliament here present, my mayor Edu, my councillor, yondakaona munochiviwa. Ukaona unezvakakangavira ripa next door avarari. They will not rest. They want to take away what is not theirs. But tinonakidza kunyuchi inogadzira uchi ndeyekuti hairwadziwi ikatorerwa uchi. Inogadzira umwe. Yoita kuti zvinhu zvifambe. So we thank you our MPs. We thank you, our councillors. Thank you for the loyalty to the cause. Amen. And thank you for the fortitude and courage and boldness to continue mchitungamirira msangano wetu. I also want to acknowledge my invited guests aripano zinasu, the Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Union, but we acknowledge you. Thank you for coming. My civic said aripano tinokutendai. It's not easy kuti tinge tine vatungamiriri vemacivics varipano. You can imagine. Patakatanga msangano munoziziva abiti, munoziziva vatungamiriri. Tanga tine 32 civic organizations, including my war veterans, including my women's organizations, youth organizations. Isu takatouya tichikokwa navatsvangirai. Our politics was politics of soup, bones and grave. We were not interested in the national discourse. Taingoda mabonzo tiri kuma-invest. Zvikanavatsvangirai, your struggle is narrow and parochial. Deepen your struggle because we have a national democratic struggle. Yeah. And this national democratic struggle and project, name our workers, name our students. Yeah. So let's come together, unite and forge a common platform to confront dictatorship, to confront tyranny, to confront despotism in this country. That is why you find us here. And for the past 21 years, we are still focused, we are still committed, and we'll get there. We are almost getting there. So, our fellow Zimbabweans, thank you very much for supporting this movement. Today, as we mark the 21st anniversary of our struggle, the journey that has been formidable in this movement called the MDC, and I've listened to people. They say, no, why are you celebrating 21 years? Because you are MDC Alliance. We celebrate a cause. We celebrate a journey. We celebrate a struggle. The struggle will morph into different formations and vehicles to advance that articulated agenda that we have to achieve. So, the MDC Alliance, why are you celebrating 21 years? We are celebrating the journey. The fact you're going to does not necessarily mean we can change the journey. Yes. It's the journey that I've covered that we are celebrating. So, why are you we celebrating 21 years? Magatangwa manje. Yes. We are a new formation because as the struggle progresses, you have to metamorphosize, you have to transfigure, you have to make sure that you transform, to make sure that there's renewal, there's reinvigoration and energization and galvanization of the base. So what we are doing is to make sure that we bring new people who are more powerful, more effective, but also maintaining the core of our struggle. Saka atina kana doubt the tragedy Yema liberation movements, particularly on the African continent, is that they've failed to reproduce themselves. And they've successively reproduced and regenerated the old. That's why they become moribund and defunct. And of course they become irrelevant. But because our post-democratic, our post-liberation movement is strong, we have to continue to energize it. We have to continue to move it. So we are here fronting a cause that was started and begun by a great man, our icon Morgan Tsvangirai. May his soul rest in peace. That man, he failed to correct the succession of Patmaka. He did. He was very clear. He told us one fundamental point. He said the struggle must not be a one-generation movement. It must be a movement that has multiple generations that are able to pass on the baton. Take a rest, take a nap, and enjoy the struggle. Why do you want to continue to lead when you are a septuagenarian and octogenarian or nonagenarian? Washinga kuma 70, 80, zorora. Kana kuchinzi mu Road Traffic Act 65 years munavana ku drive a combi or two more people. Kurewa ku nemotikari yenyika. Aika drive one yewe kana. So yes, as we celebrate what we began in 1999 Kurufaro, we want to say today we are not mistaken. President Tsvangirai, as he is resting in Buhera, is happy that the movement has not been betrayed. He's happy that the movement has not been hijacked. He's happy that we have managed to defeat Mnangagwa, even if we didn't have enough time to prepare. We had a few months. We went into an election where 2.6 million, they had to rely on chicanery and machinations and making sure they impregnate my votes, but they were defeated by us in 2018. Yes. That is the struggle we have had. And you see that for the past 21 years, as a Movement for Democratic Change Alliance, we have changed. We've had our fair share of problems. It's allowed. Takambeita ma problem pano na ababa ndo zvinoita ruizika na rwakazara. Runopopota ruchirowa matama, but the course is maintained. And I'm proud with our comrade Biti, our comrade Mwe, we are back together. Dei kuri kuti ma comrades ari genuine, ari mo kuna yamu ari kurasika. Very genuine. We would say we want everyone on board. But the problem is that you cannot unite with the impure. Otherwise you dilute yourself and you lose your original taste and your original focus in struggle. But there is I go now. We would want my democratic forces to unite and be focused to a broad front so that we are able to wage and launch a common front in order to defeat your dictatorship in this country. Energy to fight a fellow opposition. How do you become an opposition of an opposition? How do you become an alternative of an alternative? There is only one alternative, and we represent that alternative. The other one cannot be an alternative because it's actually a perpetuation of the status quo. Ukaona wakubatsirwa nehurumende hakuna ingwe inoenda kunobatsira mbudzi iri kuzvara. Ukaona ichidaro kuzati muri mbese ngwe kana kuti ine zvairi kuda pauri. Chenjerera nokuti paunopedza kuzvara uri kuruza mwana uri kuruza iwewe. What are we celebrating today? We are celebrating the fact that we have refused to be swallowed. We have refused. Havagoni kutimedza. MDC Alliance is a baobab tree. It cannot be cut using a razor blade. It cannot be consumed by a crocodile, or else the crocodile will die. That's why they've resorted to these shameless tactics to try and divide us, to try and impose certain agenda, but they will not succeed. I can tell you they will not succeed. They will be defeated as they were defeated yesterday because we refuse to be swallowed. We have refused to let our zones of autonomy be lost to ZANU. That's why takataura kwese kwatakawina patatsika atidzoke. And we want to thank you, Anu Harare, we want to thank Bulawayo, we want to thank everyone. You have continued to be with us. You have continued to support us. We have refused to have dictatorship. Ichita, take some of us, kuti vapinde vatorwe vaende kuside. So we want to thank you, my comrades ari muno. It's nyore to be an MDC leader. It's not easy. A lot of you don't know the sacrifice that we have had to endure. We are not paid money. We do not get a cent out of it. If anything, we give money to it. The president is not paid. The vice president are not paid. Secretary general are not paid. Not a single official is paid except our technical guys. And we are proud of it because we don't want any man out of it. The struggle is not for money. The struggle is to make change. And the difference is we are not in this struggle for what we want to become or what we want to be. We are in this struggle for what we want to do. And the difference is in the doing and the being. We are beyond just to be, but to do. And what we want to do is to transform Zimbabwe. We want to make sure that Zimbabwe has a change. Takazuita na nabita. Nana mangoma. Asata yenye urasika. Takapinda murumende within a short space of time. We have changed the direction of government. That is what we do. 1 year, we have turned around everything upside down. Sure. We don't need even 5 years. 1 year, I'm not in charge. And we are not boasting because we know what has to be corrected. We are going to transform. And the successes, the movement for democratic change. Not only did we win in 2008, we also won in 2018. But we've also had problems. We have had number over 2,000 people who have died since 1999. Vanabaka Cheza, Vanatondera Indira, Vanatve, Vanatalent Mabika, Vanachiminya, just to mention but a few. Vanachipunza, you know our comrades whom we have lost, 2,000 on account of politics. Just 2017, 105 people have been abducted and is on record. Just from 2017. Ipapo ndo paunonzwa hamwe mnachita hakuna crisis. Kana uchita hakuna crisis means you are the crisis. Because a crisis cannot observe or discover that there is a crisis. It cannot discover or describe itself. Sakakurewa you are part of the problem if you cannot see that there is a crisis. This country is degenerating and we must make sure we stop that degeneration. In 2019, just in 2 weeks, we had people almost 17 my citizens on account of politics. And they were killed just for daring to challenge. Almost nearly 50 people died of cold-blooded murder. Yeah, politics. You remember the January ones? You remember the August ones? This is what has happened. And this struggle has been a difficult struggle. It has been a tough road. It has seen its own problems. Young people have lost opportunities. Houses have been burnt, property destroyed, people abducted. You know my cases at now, what has happened to our brother? It has been a journey of tears. It has been a journey of fear. It has been a journey of suffering. Except in a banana republic. Look at what happened to Job Scar. Why should it be a criminal offense to hope and to hope for a better future? That's what you are saying. kuti wafana ndokurangarira kana mupunga wanyazorowa zvakanaka maita basa mandirangana. How does that become an offense? Chisamba Machisa, Gukula, Izenzo, our fellow Zimbabweans out there, we say this, comrade, makaona zvakaitwa ngarivume. Angobvumawo kuti ngaziite zvakanaka munyika. Uyo naye. All he wants to see is an end to corruption. You saw zvakaitwa kuna Nafadzai Maere, our comrades Anabiti Nana Kore, you saw zvakaitwa kuna Nostalos. I could mention all the names. And MDC Alliance, Murukuite, is not doing enough. Go and look at the list of people who are being victimized across the whole country. It's MDC Alliance. Go and look at the list of people who have been charged in the courts of this land. It's MDC Alliance. We are ready to lead and we are there to lead. But we can only lead those who are willing to follow. So help us to follow, help us to be part of this journey. Leadership we shall provide, but also provide the critical mass so that we achieve our common objective together. And that way, we'll be able to win and win together. To know this here, and we know it, that the real crisis in Munyika Muno is a crisis of a stolen election. Mungataura is an economic problem, it's a what? The crisis in Zimbabwe is a legitimate crisis. A crisis of a stolen and disputed election. Mungaenda kwa munoinda, fellow Zimbabweans, listen to this. Nothing is going to be done in this country without resolving the legitimate question to move the country forward. Mungaenda kwese mugodi economy yakufamba kuzinyebera. Muri vanhu vari kuchovha bhasikoro muri panzvimbo imwe chete. If you want real progress, sit down in Nesu. Tokudzai kuti how do we resolve the legitimate crisis? And we have said we have a clear plan. You don't want to design a plan. We have a plan. A return to legitimacy and democracy is the only solution to resolve my problems. It's a 5-step solution. If you follow our prescription, this country is going to be a jewel of Africa. Chisa Mama Chisa, Gukula, Izenzo, Economy tinga ikode weres. Go up in the doctorate, no. Msanetseka zvezvo amurikutaura izvi. Hande basket of currencies ine multi currency. Okay? Nyaya post-COVID alternate ikana hapana vakataura kuna 18 billion RTGS, which is almost 180 million US dollars. It's nothing, it's peanuts. What you need is a stimulus of 5 billion. Why to inject into the market? Why to inject into the market? You help my small enterprises to then begin to kickstart the economy. Help my businesses so that we are able to move forward. But also move the Reserve Bank from doing my cost physical activities. Toita in act in Reserve Bank is a criminal act. You're going to encroach private enterprises. Toba Tropin does it. Kisa Mama Chisa, Gukula, Izenzo, Izenzo, Nakaona nasa sika ne mwana. Joanna. Yakati kuzanu asipane pane akatorerwa chimwe chinhu. Ukaona otera mwana pane ndao pa church kunonamata, womutera ne supermarket. It's so embarrassing. Yes, the regime has sunk low, but this time they've come so low. That's cheap. Unonosunga mwana unomisa kuti ngaende prison just because I complain. It's a fact that when they are complaining they were abducted. And that's why, as far as we are concerned, let there be an independent inquiry. Because the state cannot investigate itself. It's not going to be accurate, it's not going to be credible or authentic. Let us have an independent inquiry into Nesai, into Cecilia, into Joanna and their circumstances. So that Tese Tofara is all affected parties. Whether the system, you know, a fake video. And you lie to yourself. The biggest crisis in this country is the crisis of lying. Government has institutionalized falsehood. Kunyaza kugara kubroadcaster pa press conference a lie. That's a crisis. In other countries, you will not have a government that institutionalized lying. It must be criminals who lie, but not a government. And this is the problem we have to deal with. You know, I was saying to myself, Paitika, my illegal recalls, president say something about it. You know, the boat is sinking. It's not sinking. Trukuziva formula. Tamba chirembo mswenda kabati. Hakuna kwa munoenda chero mukaenda kupi mkoma mnangagwa. Mungada kunouya mchinopinda nekudhoro koko takasunga. Kupinda nekudhoro koko takasunga. Ma MP amunofunga matora esa achadzoka ende kana adzoka double. Because we know the strategy that we are going to employ to make sure that we fight you. Is zakuda kuti spusa for my party. Ati for meso party newe. Taka for my party edu. Mazizwe. Ati uze strategy haita urwi. Hakuna munhu anotamba boxe na chindo uyoko. Dzinogama akasipakira. Unotanga wapinda uzoti waona zvandakuita. Handizve. So some of you want us to say too much. But we know what is happening. We will not allow them to continue doing what they are doing. Yes, Markita, my legal recalls. And I want to tell you, the banning of the MDC is going to be reversed. How are we going to reverse it? There's a political program that we are going to roll out. That is going to involve all of you. Even to waste that time, Munangagwa achazozia awa kwa anofana kuwacha iko. Kuti he will not play with the people's project. I want to tell you, MDC I defeat when is manga. That's why I'm trying to tender Harare province. Makagona chikombo. Matsotse anetsai. Makano atamba ya kusere. Because no atambura. Tozaza waida kuita. Varufunga nyaya kungoda kuita manipulate kuti vagounza ZANU through the back door. That's why vaida kunoita weekend our councillors. Makansela ese tichakumbira Harare province tichakumbira Bulawayo. Kuti panenge pakunzi makansela adzoke dzorai ese kudzidzise vanhu kuti hakutandwi nevanhu. Endoziye mamwe ari kuti president party inorambidzwa kuti ite register. Tinozviziva munyika muno. Kana aramba party kuda kuti hakuna my-elections. Because you cannot say kuti hakuna party no participate or kune my-elections. If there is no MDC alliance, there are no elections in this country. If it is an election, it's not an election. And the Quran is marking the beginning of the end of the crocodile in this country. Once I take that route, we want to make sure to draw a line in the sand. On our own terms, during our own time, and tisina manikizwa, and we'll get there. You harvest your takangotisa will see them tem. But when you go to Mzanda courts, court is not our core strategy. But we are a lawful part. Let's lead by example. Tapping down government, we must be leading by rule of law. Tikatanga is lead, rule by anarchy. But no pina, chabaira, chikachokera, at the same. So that's why it is not going to harvest anything. Now, sitting on the Tora, Bawa Mira, Paranumira. You the talk about you know, to Mangwana. But that is because it's not necessary for us to in order to us no Famba Sakanara. Chisa Mama Chisa Kukula Izenzo. So our MPs are coming back. Our offices are coming back. Our project is reinvigorating. Through the years, we saw Mataura SG, Zagashitika across the whole country. Now with all my branches, we've been meeting my war veterans, we've been meeting my churches. We are a people's party. And before we make my decisions, we must consult. We want boldness, be courageous, make decisions. No. MDC is a big elephant, it's not a rat. MDC is such a big ship, it takes time to turn. It's not a speedboat. Why you expect it to just navigate like that easily? We want to consult people, move with the people, move with the grassroots. And I'm happy with what you are doing, particularly across the whole country. And thank you, SG, thank you, organizing, for the fantastic work that you are doing. Vanhu vobvunza kuti saka wetu necrisis yemunyika muno. Dr. And I want to thank the ANC for the effort to try and resolve our crisis. ZANU has become a delinquent neighbor. ZANU has become a problem child in the movement, the liberation movement. And we want to thank the ANC for calling them to order. But we want to also thank the EFF, Nana Musima Imane, the Solidarity from South Africa, the trade unions. We thank them. We thank the trade union movement and the progressive movement across the whole country, the AU included, the UN. We thank them for their solidarity with the Zimbabwean lives that matter across the whole world. And we want to thank them for continuing to support us. Tinotenda ipapo atitombonyari. Takanzwa mwangu achiti kwanzi we are not a province of South Africa. Indeed we are not. But ukangoona wakutaura kuti you are not, then you know kuti you are. Munhu anoti handinzarwa watonzarwa. Ukaona wakuti ine handisi province, kureva kuti your own conduct has submitted your provinceness. Ika zvino Ramaphosa akati avhara bhodha, munhu anga akati avhura, unotivhura uchiendako. Saka unotaura kuti chii? Chisamba machisa? Gukula. Izenzo. So, but the problems in Zimbabwe are the problems in SADC. And it's important, I want to thank those in SADC who are seeing the light. I'm aware of the conversations in the SADC corridors. There are those who are saying, I will not mention them by name, but I'm in touch with the leaders and the heads of state. Achita lip service to issue a reform. But we are calling him to order, and that's why we are already there in mobilizing the regional support and the solidarity. But beyond that, we also have to mobilize from Cape to Cairo, so that there is a continental solidarity struggle in Zimbabwe to support the national democratic struggle in Zimbabwe. Chisa mama chisa, Gukula, Izenzo, Izenzo. What is the way forward? The first plan is a political settlement. Nothing short of a political settlement is going to resolve my issues in Zimbabwe. When are you going to demonstrate? Demonstration is just but one of the many forms of the struggle. And it has up because Trikuziama strategies at no time employ. Mukaona frustration in our communization. Unoti nyebera tukwazi makatrenda vanhu kuMaldives. Tinokuziva kana kuMaldives kuti iri kupi. Handizika kana kuti iri kuSouth kana uri kuNorth. Unotaura takana unotraina vanhu kuBelarus. Handi kune shamwari dzako tingakupinda seiko. Chisa mama chisa, Gukula, Izenzo. Togo train on utite iko. Why should we train people? It's 2 hours takasiwa taudzwa navatsangirai. Ours is a democratic struggle. Ours is a peace struggle. Ours is a non-violent struggle. Ours is about our open palms. Hatina chatinoya nacho, handina bakatwa, utane museve. Isu we come in peace, but we come with our radical openness and with our radical power. Yokuti toda non-violent confrontation munyika muno, inosumudzira kuti zvinhu zviite according to the constitution. Those are the leaders that are meeting. Now and vachiti isusu what we want to see. Inyaya yema fights. Takatara we fight big fights. Number one is a fight for a people's government, which is the main theme for the year. We want to fight for a people's government in this country because what we have is not a people's government. And by people's government, ipapa tunakuritenda to legitimacy. Vote yakapiwa inofana kudzorerwa. Chisa mama chisa, Gukula, Izenzo, Musavunduka. The struggle is in good shape. It's hard to fundusiru. One thing Jamaita kumira makasimba, you don't even know the support that we have in the country. Kanatatine, 2 million tabula. And the people are determined. Kutati tukuda kumisanyika kuti tiite kuti zvifambi. Haifambi. Because we have the workers, we have the taxpayers. Kungoti ho, nyika yove yati ho. Hatisataita because tunakukupai mukana. Wokuti mugadzirise zvu. Boss kana touya yako, hapasina negotiation. It is to say, please ship out go and we want democracy in this country. We want restoration and legitimacy in this country. And the time is coming. But that's also a timetable to a revolution, as we say. Revolution is not timetable. A revolution is always a revolution. It happens when its circumstances are right. Chisa mama chisa? Chisa. Kukula? Izenzo? Kukula. Izenzo? Kukula. Our second fight is a fight in my life, Lutz Kumarua. Van Matambura Amazang, 8 million plus. Van Wasnachikaf. We want our people to be restored in their livelihoods. Our fight for corruption, against corruption, our fight against Nyayama freedoms. Arikuitwa, Vana Mamombe, Makesis in Point, Vana Scala, the ones that we have mentioned. We've also said Nyaya constitutionalism is very key as a way of moving forward. Fellow countrymen, allow me to say that democracy and fight for democracy has always been a historical mission of the MDC. We've been founded on the fight for democracy. We've been founded on the roots of fighting for freedom. This fight is not ended. And until we destroy all our attempts to return Zimbabwe into a one-party state, because Mnangagwa tries to beat Mugabe on his record. Mugabe failed to establish a one-party state. Mnangagwa wants to establish a one-party state. He wants to control the opposition. He will not control us. But not Jesus. Chisa mama chisa? Only a people's government can deliver the promise, real change in this country. Only a people's government can promise people a strong economy, poverty eradication, and also joblessness being tackled. Only a people's government can deliver a Zimbabwe where freedom, opportunity, and prosperity abound for all. Fellow Zimbabweans, we've given peace a chance, but some have been disrespectful of peace. We've given dialogue a chance, but some perceive our call for dialogue as a weakness. We gave democracy a chance, but some think that elections that are stolen in broad daylight mean that we capitulate, and we are surrendering to the electoral fraud that we've seen. A constitutional democracy has been turned into a circus. Democracy is under attack. Citizens are under attack. All of us are under attack. But one way that I must tell you of looking at this is that when we are under attack, this is an opportunity to organize everyone. So we are calling on all Zimbabweans. Now forget about your political parties, forget about your church organizations, forget about your student movements, forget about any other belonging. Let's remember that we are all under the banner called Zimbabwe. And let's unite as political parties, let's unite as Zimbabweans. And I tell you, if we say enough is enough, apana anomira. Vanhu havagoni kudhifitwa kana vachinge vamira together. Chisa mama chisa? Chisa. Kukula. Izenzo. Kukula. So as we go forward, convergence is going to be our key consensus point. We've already finished. We have a team that is already working on that. We are going to make sure that in the next coming days, weeks, we'll be moving to consolidate that. What I can tell you is that behold the imminent change. It is coming. It is coming. You may not feel it, you may not see it. It's coming. Organize for it. Be part of it. Be part of the movement. Chisa mama chisa? Chisa. The walls of Jericho are about to fall. Yes. We have to push them asunder. And we have to choose to lead. Be a leader in your own space. We are going to make it. Don't worry about your movement. Your movement is in good shape. We don't lose sleep. That's why I'm doing that. Kupaparika. Tinoziziya kutakarongeka. Nyaya iri kuitwa yokuti vanomhanya kunoti vabvisa ma-MP kuparliament. Aiwa, iri kugadziriswa, tiri kuigadzirisa, tiri magadziriro atoda kuita. Once and for all. And hamuzokwanise kuuya muchiti ma-MP aya ndeedu akazodai. Haasi edu. Zvekurwara makuya makuti alliance because maakuziya kuti maakunopera manje. Maona kuti mimi muchanzi hamuna kana MP makuti hatiso alliance. Wakaita alliance kupi? Chisa mama chisa? Kukula? Izenzo? Nezoko? Asi vanzoreitsitsi vamwe vedu vabatwa nechavabata. Dhimoni rikabata hama namatira hama yako. Kuti idzikinurwe, idzoke kune vamwe tifambe pamwe chete. Struggle yedu tiiwine. Chisa mama chisa? Victory is certain? Yes. Victory is certain? Yes. Victory is certain? Yes. Thank you very much, my comrades. I now want to declare our 21st anniversary program. Yatakunoita kuma province, kuma constituencies, tichita ma meetings in the respecting here, COVID and other things. But as we said, everything's going to be per branch. Msangano uchifamba mbele. We are a bigger party, we are stronger, we are the next game in town, we are going to form the next government in this country. And I want to thank you for the support. All of you, may God bless you. Zimbabweans, we love you. Thank you very much.
Mururu ne murizo, mururu iwe. Tinotenda President, what a powerful and wonderful speech. Ndakakutarisai President muchitaura panapa. Ndikafunga kambo tichiri kuorganizing, kamutseya mikaiti tsvangira yakanaka ngetsiye. Ndikati tsiye ndo zatakasirwa idzi. Chinja maitiro ako yezvoko. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Tinokutendai. And we want to thank all of our viewers the worldwide. Vanga vanesu padande mutande redu rerally. We want to thank you very much for the support. Maona President vakabranda apa nesheti yavo inotaura kuti this is my Zimbabwe. This is my Zimbabwe and my heart iri muZimbabwe. Hapana kwandinoenda kusvika tapa vanhu veZimbabwe freedom. Mr. President, chigadzira pano tamukira kuseni tataura nyaya yekeke zvikanzi na Farai ko champagne manje yatengwa here. Ndikati wauda kutidzingisa musangano na pastor manje. So tine keke riri panapa President. Ndinozviziva kuti zvinokunetsa kuti mudle mega nyika yese yakachena muromo. But I would like to invite you, the Secretary General and the Vice President, just to do the ceremonial cutting yekeke. Tichazoona kuti chari disbesa sei kuenda kuma province kuti vangovanawo something. Vamatongo vaitaura kuti kana munhu akaenda kuchechi kuchirayiro achidligu kuguta anongozoka ndagamuchira. So if you could allow me now, Mr. President, to invite you, Vice President and SG, to assist the President in the ceremonial cutting of the cake. Thank you, Mr. President. Say. Mururu ne murizo, mururu iwe. Masinging committee members, we are going to honor. Mururu ne murizo, mururu. Mururu iwe. Wagoyo. 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 Nero oye. Wagoyo. 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 Sing. Wagoyo. 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 Chabi. Vanhu vakajoina izvi. Wagoyo. 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 Wagoyo.
Manyararire iko Zimbabwe manyararire iko Vanoponda tonyarara mai Zimbabwe manyararire iko Manyararire iko Vanorepa tonyarara mai Vanoponda tonyarara mai Vanorepa tonyarara mai Zimbabwe manyararire iko Zimbabwe manyararire ngatidairetese Vanoponda tonyarara mai Vanorova tonyarara mai Vanorepa tonyarara Zimbabwe manyararire iko Chinoi manyararire iko
Chamisa oye.
Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ngatigare pasi. Thank you very much. Ngatigare pasi as we wind up our program. Ngatigare pasi. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you for the presidential jive, the jovial spirit. You have demonstrated to the whole world that you are in a very high spirit.
Women's Assembly.
We want to thank Harare Province for hosting us and to congratulate you, Mr. President, for this very successful rally yenye dande mtande. Musati maenda, President, allow me to invite Pastor vedu kuti vazotipa munamato wekuvhara rally yedu yedande mtande, and also to thank the whole world who were watching us. This was fantastic, and Mr. President, we are happy. You are in very high spirits, and we feel rejuvenated. Unozo wakadzingwa ku parliament ka unoti ndafirwa chaiko, but wozoti ko president vakatore ku Harvest House nematsotsa ne 2.6 million votes. Mukazi wangu ngati vati hedu isiri nani chisamba machisa Chamisa hoye 2.6 million votes hoye. Yezwoko tipeo munamato.
Tinamata. Tinokutendai mwari wamasimba wose zvakare panguva yemanheru ano. Tinotenda nekuda kwebasa rese rabatwa pakati pedu. Tinokutendai nemufaro wakazara mune vazhinji nekuda kwezuva ranhasi. Tasvika kumagumo kwechirongwa chino. Tinokumbira nyasha dzekuchengetwa nekufambiswa. Patiri kubva panzvimbo ino, mweya mutsvene ngaatitungamirire. Hakuna mufudzi anodarika imi Mwari. Dhavhidha unoimba kuti Jehovha ndiye mufudzi wangu. Tiri kunamata kuti Mwari wamasimba wose mugofamba nesu, kunyangwe munyika yakaoma muri mutariri wedu. Shoko renyu rinoti, weeping may endure but for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Tunoziva kuti kunze hakurambe huri usiku, kuedza kunosvika uye mufaro unovapo. Tinoda kutenda Mwari wamasimba wose nemutungamiriri wamakatipa, Baba Chamisa pamwe chete nevese vanotungamira pamwe chete navo. Tinokumbira zano neuchenjeri zvirambe zviri pavari. Pavanoneta vapei simba, pavanopererwa vapei mazano. Tinoda kutendai nekuda kwemaprovinces ose anzwa mazwi emutungamiriri manheru ano, nenyika yese yeZimbabwe tinotenda kuti vawana tariro, nekuti munguva yatiri chinokosha itariro kuti zvichasvika pazvinopera uye zvichanaka. Tinoda kutendai Mwari wedu tichipambiri kwamuri, mutariri wedu, ziso redu. Mazviita manheru ano tidzosera kutsa kwamuri mutsara mambo Jesu. Amen.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you very much, Mr. President, my standing committee members. Thank you very much, everybody. We are muzodya keke iri riripo panapa. Tichavhara nenational anthem pano. Vamadzore.